we're going to learn how to do a quiz in Quizlet, okay? And so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Quizlet. Okay, now, oh, we want to go to study sets. That's what we want to do. Go to study sets. Sorry, kids. So now we're going to go view all sets. And we're going to go to set 6. We're going to create a study set. Create from scratch. We have to create it from scratch. When you try to download it and do a study set from their thing, it doesn't work. So what you're going to do is, and I'm not going to do the whole thing, I'm just going to show you how to do this. And then one time, and then you can watch it over and over. So we're going to see we have the create new study set. First, we're going to highlight the title, copy it, paste it, and then add description. And this would be family 1. And if you want to know what the description is, you can always go to look at the page that you're on. You're on page 18. So then you can always go back up and find 6. See, it says me, my 6, family 1. So then you got to haul butt back to 18 now. And is that even correct? There it is. Okay. So we have our description. We have our thing. So then we do our term, tomb. This is really not a good one to show you. I'm going to do another one that has pictures just so that I can command copy. And then we're going to command print, tomb. And the definition, mother for female, copy it, paste it. Now what's cool and what I wish we had, I guess I'm just going to show you how to do it. You can't do it on this one because you could, but it doesn't make a lot of sense. Let me go down to one that has pictures. We're just going to use, no, not that whole picture because that comes up as a whole picture. These ones that come up as one individual picture, you see, you can copy and paste this. Just push Command C, click on it, push Command C, and then come to your other page, click Image, and Command V. And it's really cool. I'm going to try it again. There it is. So it pops up in there. Inchaliwum SharePoint site.
Inchaliwum?
Yep. And then you're going to sign on to it. Oh, you need to come in here. This quiz. So you go to N1 Planning. Oh, excuse me. And then you go to N1 Quizzes. And then you find the quiz that you're looking for. So we're looking for quiz 6. And it takes it a while to load, so it might look like you don't have all of them at first. Mm-hmm. But just give them a minute because they do load up. Love you, baby girl.
Is it filming?
Yep. Here, right here. L6. Now here's what I like to do. I like to go hit control, and then click. And then I like to move tab to a new window.
How'd you do that?
You just press this. Okay. So you come here to this one, put it on the tab you want, hit control, and then and then it brings up a menu. So you just control and hit your mouse.
To a tab, like any tab?
No, you put move tab to a new window.
Okay.
It's whatever tab you want to do it to. You only do it, you have to click on the tab you want to do it to. See, and now it's 2 different windows, so I can work with both at the same time. And I like to make it small because I don't need all of that. And that way I can kind of move it around easily. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to come up to the little square up here, SharePoint square. And you're going to Country singer. Okay, so then we're going to go to, sorry, I'll try to cut some of this out that I'm not doing it. But we want to go to where it says form. We want to create a new quiz, not a new form. Huma. So it's the same. Okay, so here we are. We're going to create a new quiz. We have done everything we need to do. We're going to copy and paste again. All right. We are going to copy and paste the title on there. It's Family 1. And then we're going to go, first we're going to go text, and we're going to go squeezed. Okay, and then we're going to add a section, and this section is command copy, command delete, not command delete, just delete, command V, so okay, and then we're going to go to add new, and we're just going to do text because that's all we really need to do. And add new text. Choops is little sister. Right. Or younger sister. So and command copy. Sorry, make sure to hit anyone can respond. Copy the link, and then